How to edit the header and footer of your Squarespace website. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss exactly how to do so. So first, just go to your website tab here and click on edit on any page. And now we're just going to start with the header. Once you hover over it, you should be able to find the option edit site header. And if you click on it, you basically have three different options here. The first one is the resize option. So you can just hold this little blue icon and drag it up or down as you like to increase the size of it or decrease it. Second of all, you can feel free to start by adding elements like the button element, which is just going to be down here, and you can feel free to obviously adjust the button accordingly by adding a proper link and changing the design of it. Also, you have more elements like carts, accounts if you want people to be able to log in or not, cart icon, language switch, and so on. So feel free to add the elements that you like, and afterwards you can even click on the header again and check or click on the edit design option. This is going to show you different layouts that you can choose from, and obviously you can just test them out one by one. And even on top of that, once you actually select one, you can even change the spacing between the links, the elements, some more effects like drop shadow, border, and so on. And even the color of the entire thing, you can make it a gradient if you want. So once you adjust the design aspect of your header, you can just move on to the footer now by just scrolling down to the bottom until you find the actual footer. And you should be able to find the option to edit site footer. Now the footer does actually have more options. First of all, you can feel free to resize it as we did with the header. You can't really, and in my case, I can't really decrease it or make it smaller because there's some elements in the way. But you can feel free to expand it by just dragging it down. So other than that, you can feel free to really just, delete anything that is in here by just selecting it and deleting it like so. Or you can just go ahead and add any block that you like for example, an image. That's fine. Just click on that and move it wherever you want it to be really. And you're pretty much good to go. Just make sure you upload an image if you want that. So just add the blocks that you like and adjust the size of it, remove whatever you want to remove, and we're pretty much set. And obviously the design wise, the background of the entire thing, you have the ability to change any of that. So it's completely up to you. So in my case, I'm just going to do none, no image, like so, and keep it this way. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is how to adjust the header and the footer of your Squarespace website. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.